truly a bipartisan effort. These four former Kansas governors, it includes Democrats Kathleen Sebelius and John Carlin, and Republicans Bill Graves and Mike Hayden. And they are traveling the state, hosting a series of roundtable discussions, talking about the effort to keep politics really out of our Kansas courts. Joining us on the phone this morning, former Governor Bill Graves. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thanks, Haley. Good to be with you.
We wanted to talk a little bit here about what's going on, this tug of war between lawmakers and especially the Kansas Supreme Court. And in your opinion, has this fight, this tug of war, started with the school funding battle, or is there more to this? Has this been brewing for a long time?
Well, I mean, I think that has a lot to do with it, Haley. I mean, I think at its the root cause of this is simply, we're in a situation where current Governor Brown back in the legislature simply want to exert more control over opinions made by the court, and we as four former governors truly believe that the system is not broken. In fact, it works quite well. And to the extent there are challenges facing the state of Kansas, we certainly don't believe the selection of Supreme Court justices is one of them.
And we're talking, of course, about the effort to retain or not retain these justices this fall. I wanted to ask you your opinion. You were governor from 95 to 2003. How, if at all, has the atmosphere in Topeka changed? I'm talking about getting together with Republicans and Democrats, reaching across the aisle.
Oh, Haley, I think it's changed dramatically. In fact, I think it's reflective of the same environment we're seeing in Washington, D.C. There's just there's been an institutionalization of the politics. It used to be in sort of the old days, and I hate to make myself sound old, but you could be a fierce politician during elections, but then you put that all aside and you worked for the constructive good of your state or for your nation when the elections were over. And I think today we find ourselves basically in a political morass each and every day. Oftentimes to the detriment of the time we need to devote to taking care of the people's business.
What is it like to be a moderate Republican in Kansas these days?
Well, I mean, it was challenging then. There were as some may recall, my state party chairman, who was very conservative, resigned and ran against me at my reelect in 1998. And so it's there's always a fierce element of politics in state elections and national elections, but nonetheless we've been blessed with a very fair merit-based selection system for our judges, and these four governors all used that system and felt it produced fine jurists who have fairly represented the interests of all Kansans, and we simply want to band together and advocate for keeping politics and politicians out of our judicial system.
Okay, thank you so much. Former